Morning, students. Hope you all are fine and also doing your allotted work regularly. If you have any doubt, then you can send message through Campus Care so that I can clear all your doubts in the next class. Now, today we are going to learn how to represent a rational number on number line. So, you can see here on board, I have taken 4 examples to explain. One is 3 by 4. As you can see, 3 by 4 is a rational number with numerator less than denominator. So, in this case, always remember that such rational number will lie between either 0 to 1 or 0 to -1. Now, one thing that you have to remember is that if the rational number carries negative sign, so that rational number will lie towards left hand side of number line. And if it carries positive sign, then it will lie towards right hand side of number line. Okay. Now, first you have to draw a number line by taking regular intervals. Regular intervals means distance between 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3, that should be same. Either you take 1 centimeter or 2 centimeter as 1 unit. Let us start. Our first rational number is 3 by 4. And again, 3 is less than 4. So that means this will lie towards, and it is also carrying positive sign. So it will lie towards right hand side, and also it will lie between 0 to 1. So what we will do is that we will divide this part into 4 equal parts because the denominator is 4. So we have to divide this distance into 4 equal parts that you can see here. And this part is 1 by 4, this is 2 by 4, and this part is 3 by 4. So here is how we have denoted 3 by 4 on number line. Next example is 7 by 4. Here numerator is greater than denominator. So if numerator is greater than denominator, so we have to divide the numerator by denominator. Like here, that is after dividing, and you have already studied how to convert this into mixed fraction. So 7 by 4 can be written as 1 3 by 4. Okay, it means that 1 whole and 3 by 4. So 1 whole, and also it is carrying positive sign. So if it is carrying positive sign, so it will lie towards my right hand side, and then 1 whole 3 by 4. So from 0 to 1, this is 1 whole, and again next part we have to divide it into 4 equal parts. So I have divided already this into 4 equal parts that you can see. Now leaving 1, we have to start counting because this is 1 whole, so we are leaving this distance. Now start counting. This is 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4. So that means this is 1, 3 by 4, that is 7 by 4. So this is how we can represent a rational number on number line. Our next example carries a negative sign. So if it carries negative sign, so that means it will lie towards my left hand side. Again, numerator is smaller than denominator. So that means this rational number will lie between 0 to -1. Denominator is 6. So divide this unit from 0 to -1 into 6 equal parts. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this one is 6th part. After dividing, now you start counting because we are towards this hand, this means left hand side. So this will be minus 1 by 6, minus 2 by 6, minus 3 by 6, minus 4 by 6, and this one is minus 5 by 6. Now next example is minus 9 by 4. Again it carries a negative sign, so it will lie towards left hand side of the number line, left side of the number line. And then again we have to divide numerator by denominator. So when you will divide numerator by denominator, the answer is minus 2 1 by 4. And this, it means 2 whole and 1 by 4. 2 whole, now start counting from here. 1 unit, 2 unit. So you have to leave these 2 units. Then again we have to divide this into 4 equal parts because denominator is 4. 1, 2, 3, and this one is 4. Now this is 2 whole, this is 1 by 4. So this represents minus 9 by 4. So I hope all of you have understood how to represent a rational number on number line. Now, how to compare rational numbers? So our next heading is comparison of rational numbers. It also includes how to arrange the rational numbers in increasing or decreasing order. Number one, first example is 4 by 7 and minus 3 by 5. Now, as you all know, if a number carries negative sign, so that means it becomes smaller. So therefore, means 4 by 7 is greater than 3 by 5. Here directly we can write because one is carrying positive sign, another is carrying negative sign. So positive number is always greater than negative rational number. So therefore 4 by 7 is greater. Now if you will compare this fraction by 0 also, then 0 will be greater than minus 3 by 5 because minus 3 by 5 will lie towards left hand side while 0 is towards right. So again 0 is greater than minus 3 by 5. So here is that directly we can write answer minus 4 by 7 is greater than minus 3 by 5. Next example, minus 2 by 7 and 3 by minus 5. Now here both the rational numbers are carrying negative sign. So in this case, how to compare that we are going to learn. So first step is take the LCM of denominators, that is 7 and 5. So LCM of 7 and 5 is 35. So I think all of you know because 7 and 5 are co-primes, so their LCM is their product. Next is you have to make equivalent fraction of minus 2 by 7 and 3 by minus 5. So minus 2 by 7, so what you will multiply here to get 35. So here it is 5. So 7 5s are 35 and same you have to multiply in numerator also. So here is minus 10 by 35. Now here you can see negative sign is in denominator. So first we have to shift this negative sign in numerator. So for that we have to multiply numerator and denominator both by minus 1. So you will get minus 3 by 5. So minus minus here it gets cancelled. Or you can put directly also you can put here negative sign. But how the sign is shifted, to explain that I have written this. But it is not necessary that for every question you should write like that. It is just only for your understanding. Now again make the equivalent fraction of minus 3 by 5 with denominator 35. So 5 7s are 35 and minus 3 into 7 is minus 21. Now you can see both the cases denominators are same. So if denominators are same, then you have to see both are carrying negative sign. 10 minus 10 and 21 with a negative sign, that is minus 21. Now which is greater? When you will go on number line, when you will move from left towards right, the number goes on increasing. So minus 21 will lie towards left hand side and minus 10 will lie towards its right. So therefore minus 10 by 35 is greater than minus 21 by 35, and hence you have to write the original fraction of this. So this is how we can compare any two rational numbers with which are having negative sign. Now same example I have taken, but I have taken with those rational numbers with positive sign. 2 by 7 and 3 by 5 both are carrying positive sign. Again the process is same. LCM of denominators, that is 35, make equivalent fraction. So you will get 10 by 35 and 21 by 35. Now here there is no issue of sign. Both are having positive sign, denominators are same. So in this case, which number is greater, 21 or 10? So the answer is 21. So therefore 21 by 35 is greater than 10 by 35. Then write its original fraction. So now here you can see 3 by 5 is greater than 2 by 7. Now this type of questions you can solve. And also suppose you have to arrange rational numbers in ascending or descending order, the same process is to be followed. That is, you have to take LCM of denominators, make their equivalent fractions, then compare which is greater. Then after that, after comparison, you have to arrange them in either ascending order or descending order as per question is asked. So please solve the questions which is related to these topics, and the homework you will get through assignment. Arranging rational numbers in ascending or descending order. Ascending means from small to big and descending is from big to small. So let us take an example. Minus 2 by 3, minus 5 by 9 and minus 8 by 15. So first of all, we have to take the LCM of denominators. So LCM of 3, 9 and 15 is 45. Here is the LCM. You can see, I think all of you know how to find LCM. So LCM is 45. Now next step is you have to make equivalent fraction of these three fractions. That is minus 2 by 3. What you will multiply so that you will get this 45. So 3 into 15 is 45. Same you have to multiply in the numerator also. So minus 2 by 3 will become minus 30 by 45. Next, minus 5 by 9. What you will multiply in 9 so that you will get 45. So the answer is 5. Therefore, you have to multiply numerator and denominator both by 5. So the equivalent fraction of minus 5 by 9 is minus 25 by 45. Similarly, for minus 8 by 15 also. 15 threes are 45 and 8 threes are 24 with negative sign. Now as we did in the previous question, now you have to do comparison because now the denominators are same. But remember one thing, here all are carrying negative sign. So number which is looking at, suppose 30 is a big number, but don't forget that it carries negative sign. So therefore it becomes smallest of all. So that means this fraction, that is minus 30 by 45, is smaller. So minus 30 by 45. So after minus 30, which is the next number, which is greater than this but smaller than the previous number. So that is 25. Minus 25 by 45. and the last number is minus 24 by 45. So this is how we can arrange that in ascending order. Now after that, don't leave answer till here only. You have to write its original fraction also. So what is the original fraction of this fraction, that you can see and you have to write here. Then only your answer will be complete. Next is again, suppose for descending on order also the question will be same. Then you can arrange that in descending order by arranging the bigger rational number in the first. So just reverse order of this. Like this it can be arranged, then write original fraction. So this is how we are comparing. We are comparing and we are finding which is bigger and which is smaller. Or like this you can arrange the rational numbers in either ascending or descending order. Suppose here they will in the some in books you will see in the exercise 2 more fractions or 3 more fractions are added. Then also no problem, the procedure is same. You have to take LCM of denominators, make equivalent fraction of all the rational numbers, and then compare it, and do as instructed, either arrange in ascending order or descending order. Thank you, children.